What do you dream about when you imagine your new home? Earth tones? Beautiful cabinetry? Rich hardwoods? Welcome to Richmond American Home Gallery Design Center, where every home buyer in every price range we offer can personalize the home of their dreams. Let's take you through the process step by step. First, we encourage you to come with your ideas, fabric swatches, magazine clippings, anything that inspires you. Our Pinterest boards are a great place to start. No ideas? That's okay too. We're here to help you coordinate your finishes and keep you on budget. The selection process is easy because we've taken out the guesswork. Our color studios offer pre-matched countertops, flooring, paint colors, and more. And our professional design consultants will help you through each choice, a complimentary service. Even the lighting and fixtures are coordinated to give your home a polished look. And from home theater pre-wiring to security systems, we have your technology needs covered. The result? A beautiful home that's as unique as you are. At Richmond American, our one-of-a-kind home gallery experience truly sets us apart. With us, it's personal.